Unbox and take a look of this metal wooden white computer desk, one of the best quality for a low cost. This is the size of the box. I'm gonna get a pair of scissors, open it up. This is in the box right here. You got two pieces for the shelves and stuff. You got two side piece and the desk part. Very easy to assemble, and they give you a choice that you could put the shelves on the left side or on the right side, which is very easy. They send the Allen key and it label A, B, and C, and all these things are labeled, which 5 minutes and I'm done. This is very easy. Just finish screwing everything up. Make sure to get two people to flip this over. You want to make sure you're careful, don't break anything. And what I noticed about this company, they did send all screw and Allen key extra, so in case if you mess any screw head up, you have extra, which is really good. Never throw away this. Always keep this in your junk drawer. If you have one like me, this will come in handy in the future. We finish right here. You could see how amazing it is. Beautiful wooden top finish right here. The length is 53 inches and the width coming down is 29.5 inches. So from this point inside here up to this point is 41.3 inches. This desk holds about 300 pounds, and if you want a great idea, you could add two desks side by side and you could make it into a long, super long gaming table. Especially if you have 2 or 3 kids, you could share it. I did see online on Amazon they have 2 desks joined together and it looks amazing. But overall, you could use this desk for gaming, which is you're setting up your laptop or gaming PC or even your PlayStation and pop a TV up in there with your gaming chair, or you could use this as a home desk, which I'm going to use this as a content creator. I'm going to be making videos on this desk. So this desk, the reason why I get this desk, because it's metal frame. It's not no cheap plastic frame, and it's a good sturdy wood quality finish on the top. I did not want like metal feeling on the top, if you understand, because then in metal I feel like it will get cold up top and it might scratch faster or something. That's why I end up getting a wood finish with a metal frame. A metal frame is very strong and it's sturdy and it's gonna last you a long time. It was easy to assemble, it's gorgeous, it's a good quality, it was not expensive. Look in the description box below for price and details and get your hand on a really good top of the line quality desk. 2 thumbs up here from Product Zone, and I'm using this as my personal own. So if it was not good, I would not get it and I will return it. But this, I'm loving it. If you're new, please don't forget to like and subscribe. We got honest review and a lot of videos coming up here on Product Zone. Thank you and have a blessed day.